Good morning one last time from Paso Robles, California. We're here at Wine Country RV Resort. We're checking out today. So I'm doing some laundry. We kind of got the RV cleaned up a little bit. We're headed for Monterey today. But before we leave, I really wanted to show you around the park. Ben's rendering a video for you guys because we're due to release one today. So you've seen our campsite before, but just to reiterate, picnic tables, a barbecue, full hookups, nice grassy area for the dogs. If you look down this way, you can see some of the other options. They also have folks parked up there on the higher level, and no matter where you park here, it's a pretty nice view because we're surrounded by vineyards. So this is a place we wanted to check out, but just didn't have the time. In the off season, they're open Thursday, Friday, Saturday night. It's a bar with wine and other beverages on tap right here in the park. So it's kind of nice. You can come sit here with your friends, walk back to your RV. Very comfy van that you can take a wine tour in. It's one of the definite perks of staying here is they have wine tours right from the RV resort. And she drops you off at your site when you're done. What more could you ask for? Definitely not something you see at every RV park, but this one has a propane filling station, which is great. The wine barrel mailbox is a nice touch. Movie rentals. Ice cream. Beverages of all kinds. And a few things that you might need during your stay. Something for the kids to do with another awesome arcade. This is the first jacuzzi and the swimming pool. This is the family area, and you can see back there they also have a playground for the kids. They do have nice bathrooms here, nice showers, clean marble bench to put your things out on, shower caddy for your things in the shower, just nice little touches. Nice clean laundry room. This was definitely Shelby's favorite feature. We go for a walk around the park every evening and then come on over here and let her run around in the dog run. There's a couple of these on the park premises, so you can enjoy usually one to yourself. This is a great example of the sites with cement pads, and you can see the vineyard right behind it. Comfy little spot. I showed you Shelby's favorite spot a minute ago. Now I'm going to show you Ben and I's favorite spot. This is the perfect little grown-up oasis here at the park. Comfortable places to sit. A nice hot tub to use. In the evenings they like the propane fire pit and a beautiful water feature. We've definitely enjoyed our stay here in Paso Robles at Wine Country RV Resort. It is a really classy place and it's a nice getaway. They've got a lot of amenities set up for you to really enjoy your time here, which we did. I have a few minutes left to finish the laundry and then we are going to pack up and make our way to Monterey. Love you guys.
Have fun.
We will. Jill and I had a great 45-hour girls weekend. If you aren't already subscribed, be sure to hit that button. Ben and I have a pretty cool week planned ahead of us, and we'd love to take you along. All right, thanks for everything. Have a great night. Bye.